Do you have big dreams but no energy to chase them? You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. You want to write a book, get in shape, or learn something new, yet somehow the day slips away, lost to endless scrolling or TV binges. This isn't because you're lazy forever. It happens because your goals feel too big. When something feels overwhelming, your brain looks for the easy way out. But here's the truth. Laziness isn't a personality trait, it's a habit. And habits can be changed. Think about a time you felt stuck because your goal seemed impossible. Maybe you wanted to save money, but cutting back on everything felt unbearable. Or you wanted to get fit, but working out daily seemed exhausting. It's not that you don't care, it's just that your brain is wired to avoid discomfort, but you can outsmart it. Here's how to take control and finally start making progress. 1. Break it down. Big goals feel overwhelming. The solution? Make them ridiculously small. Want to write a book? Forget 200 pages. Write one sentence today. Want to learn guitar? Don't learn a whole song, just master one chord. Want to exercise? Skip the intense plan. Just do 10 squats. Small wins build momentum. You don't climb a mountain in one leap. You take one step at a time. Number 2. Set up routines. Willpower fades, but routines stick. Create tiny habits that make starting effortless. Want to work out? Lay your clothes out the night before? Want to read more? Put a book on your pillow. Want to wake up earlier? Set your alarm across the room. These small actions remove friction, making progress automatic. Number 3. Use the 2-minute rule. Starting is the hardest part, so make it easy. Commit to just 2 minutes. Want to clean? Tidy up for 2 minutes. Want to study? Read for 2 minutes. Want to journal? Write for 2 minutes. Once you begin, you'll likely keep going. It's like pushing a ball. One small nudge, and momentum takes over. Everyone you admire started small. They weren't perfect. They just took action. Think of your dreams like a fire. Right now, it's a tiny spark. Every small step you take adds fuel. Keep feeding the fire, and soon it will burn bright. So, what's one small step you can take today? Don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Start now. Your future self will thank you.